Hello, Kabayan. Welcome back to Kabayan Abroad Teo, your trusted channel for immigration news, tips, and life abroad advice. In this video, we'll talk about the UK's latest immigration changes under the Statement of Changes to the Immigration Rules, HC 997, which took effect on the 1st of July 2025. These changes affect skilled workers, care workers, and anyone planning to bring family to the UK. Let's break down the key updates so you know what to expect and how to prepare. What is HC 997? The Statement of Changes HC 997 is an official update from the UK Home Office. It amends the current immigration rules, including salary thresholds, visa requirements, and sponsor conditions. Every few months, the UK government releases new rules like this, and HC 997 is one of the most significant changes this year. Major changes you need to know. 1. Higher salary thresholds. The minimum salary for the skilled worker visa has increased. For most roles, it's now £40,000 or more, depending on your job type. This affects applicants in healthcare, hospitality, engineering, and other sectors. Check if your role qualifies under exemptions or special salary rates. 2. Restrictions on dependents. HC 997 introduces tighter rules for bringing dependents, especially under the health and care worker visa route. If you're sponsored by a private care home, you may no longer be allowed to bring your spouse or children with you. This is a major concern for many Filipino workers. 3. Shortage occupation list replaced. The old shortage occupation list is now replaced by the immigration salary list, which has fewer jobs eligible for lower salary thresholds. Some roles previously considered in demand may no longer qualify. 4. Stricter English language requirements. Some visa categories now require higher English test scores, especially for family and settlement applications. Make sure your IELTS or equivalent test meets the new standard. 5. More scrutiny for care sector sponsors. Sponsors in the care sector are under tighter regulation. Expect more audits, delays in sponsorship approvals, and stricter conditions. Double-check your job's eligibility and salary level. Ask your sponsor about changes affecting dependents. Prepare your documents in advance, especially your English test and proof of funds. Follow trusted sources for updates, or better yet, subscribe here on Kabayan Abroad Teo. These changes may seem challenging, but don't worry, you're not alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Comment below if you have questions. We'll try to answer as many as we can. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an important immigration update. Stay informed, stay prepared, and as always, Abroad Teo.